Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I am your Salba ma'am and today your topic is atoms and molecules. So students, first we will see what is an atom. Atom is a smallest particle of an element that take part in the chemical reaction, right? So it can be compared to the brick which is used in the buildings. It can be compared to a brick. Next we will see the characteristics of an atom. The first one is atom is a neutral species. That means the positive charge is equal to the negative charge, so it is called neutral species. Next is atoms of some elements are very reactive, so they do not occur singly, they always occur in pairs like H2O2 Cl2. And on the other hand, atoms of some elements they occur singly because they are less reactive like helium, neon, copper, etc. Since atoms of same elements they have different masses, so the kinds of atom is more than the actual number of elements known, right? Next is the size of the atom is very small and hydrogen is the smallest atom which is known. Okay, so hydrogen is the smallest atom of all. And the last one is that atom is so small that you cannot even see the atom by using a powerful microscope. So a specialized microscope is designed, that is a scanning tunneling microscope. With this microscope you can just see the surface of the elements of the atom. You can see the surface of the atom, right? Now next is the symbols. Symbols are used to represent atoms in a short way. The symbols are used to write the elements in a short form. So symbols are used and it was given by Dalton. But later on Berzelius suggested that the symbols of the elements they can be made from the one or two letters of their English name. Whatever is their English name, one or two letters can be taken and they can be considered as symbols. So students, here are the two tables in which you can see the symbols. In the first table, you can see the symbols which are derived from their English names, right? Like hydrogen, helium. Hydrogen is H, helium is He, lithium is Li. So these symbols are derived from their English name. But in the second table, you can see the symbols like sodium. Sodium symbol is Na, that is natrium. From their Latin name, the symbol is derived. Potassium K from kalium. From the Latin name, symbol is derived. So next is how do atoms exist? Atoms of some unreactive element they can exist in free state, but some elements are highly reactive, so their atom they cannot exist in free state. So it can exist in two form. First as a molecule or as ions. So now we will see what is a molecule. Now molecule it is a group of two or more atoms of same element or of different element and they are chemically bounded and this combination is called a molecule. Also, molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound that can exist freely. Now, molecules are classified into two types, molecules of elements and molecules of compound. Molecules of elements are those which are bounded by two atoms of same kind like H2, N2, O2. These are molecules of elements. And molecules of compound are the molecules of which atoms of different elements and they are chemically bonded together and forms molecules of compounds. For example, water H2O, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, it forms the water. And ammonia NH3, one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atom and it forms ammonia. So these are molecules of compound. Now next comes the diatomic molecules, triatomic, tetratomic. So diatomic molecules are those molecules in which two elements are joined together. Two same kind of elements they are joined together like H2, N2. These are diatomic. Triatomic in where three atoms of same elements are joined together and they are, for example, ozone is a triatomic. Then P4, that is phosphorus, is tetraatomic. Noble gases like helium, neon, they are monoatomic. Now this monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, this defines the atomicity. It gives the atomicity of an element. Like if the element is diatomic, like H2 is diatomic, so its atomicity is 2. If we talking about ozone, O3, it is triatomic, its atomicity is 3. Similarly, phosphorus P4, it is tetraatomic, its atomicity is 4. And atomicity of solid metal is 1. This is all for today, students. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.